And welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now, right now we are in BikeShop Rivonia. We're here a lot because, well, why wouldn't you be? But today we're doing something a little bit different. This is a Ducati Multistrada 1260. And what we're going to do is tell the story of how it came from a previous owner to be right here on the showroom. And it's quite an interesting story. Stay tuned. Now, firstly, BikeShop Rivonia buys bikes from every part of the country. They have evaluators that look at motorcycles anywhere, and once an agreement is reached and the money is in the seller's account, the bikes are then transported to the Rivonia shop, including our Multistrada, which was purchased from an owner in Cape Town. Once it is offloaded, there is an official handover and the bike is checked into stock. All this is vitally important, especially when dealing with as many motorcycles as BikeShop Rivonia does. Now, this Multistrada is already clean and in great nick, but that's not enough. It needs to be perfect. Once it is in the system, it is ridden down to the detailing area where it starts in the wash bay. Sounds simple? No. What's amazing about this is that normally when you see like bikes getting washed, it's just, it's a dude with a power washer and a cloth, and that's fine. I mean, the bike will be clean, but they don't want clean, they want immaculate. The bike must be spotless completely throughout. And that is why you look here, there's a whole lot of processes that go into it, and not just a dude, I mean, there's a team working over here. So this really is an intricate process. Once thoroughly cleaned, it is then moved to the detailing area, where the team go through every bit of it literally with a fine-tooth comb, cleaning bits you can see and bits you can't. A service like this would cost the customer anything up to 5,000 Rand, but this is no customer service. These guys work full-time on BikeShop Rivonia stock. Also, should there be any blemishes or scratches, that part would either be repaired or replaced. The bike is then of course moved over to the workshop where it is again checked over. For example, on this bike, there were bolts missing from the bash plate that were replaced. The chain needed lubing and an adjustment, and the old number plate is removed. This bike needed very little work, but everything that needs work will be done before any bike is delivered. The last step is the dedicated photo studio, where pics are taken for the BikeShop Rivonia website. And now, at last, our Multistrada is ready to join the 500 odd other bikes on the showroom. So there we have it. I mean, how interesting is that, where this motorcycle came all the way from Cape Town, so sort of in-depth clean that, here it is on the showroom. I mean, it just kind of shows a lot of kind of dedication and what goes into these motorcycles to make them as they are in the showroom and make them good for the customers who buy them. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen, from BikeShop Rivonia. Please come and have a look at this place. It is spectacular.